Here's one for the Camaro fans. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. This car came to us from California. Actually is a Los Angeles built car. Powered by a 350 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille. You're going to see the SS logo up front here, not representing this as an SS. It's more of a resto mod, if anything, when I get into how this is built and some of the equipment on it. Something else to remember is this will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the red paint shows well. Yeah, there's a few touch-ups here and there, maybe an imperfection, but it does show well. Has a nice shine to it, as you can see by the lights reflecting off the top of the hood. Take your time looking through the still pictures. See what we're talking about in this video. And like I said, just take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video, and the description is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on Riddler chrome wheels. I believe those are 18s in the front and the rear. This car is also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, tubular control arms up front, adjustable coilovers in the rear give this car a great stance. Be able to see it when we get around to the driver's side a little bit better. Black vinyl interior, center console, shifter on the floor. We'll get around to the driver's side, let you take a little closer look at the interior. We're also going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a look at the engine bay. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the dual exhaust, rear chrome bumper. And once again, still pictures. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on that link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online, if not more. Here's where you get an idea how that stance is on this thing. Just a great looking stance. Again, those adjustable coilovers in the rear. Also 4-wheel disc brakes. Those are drilled and slotted. Rotors. Has a newer brake booster and master cylinder, and you'll be able to see that here in a second when we pop the hood open. Let's take a look at the carpeting. Vinyl seats. It's like they're free of really any major rips, tears, or holes. A little bit of wear in the piping right there. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 350 powered. You can also see cowl hood. One of those, you can choose what you'd like to do, a stereo system in it. It does need a stereo install if you want to have one in there. Might not need it with the way this car sounds. Roll down the window and listen to that V8. Alright, let me slip up to the front of this. Let's get this hood popped open. Check out that engine bay and we'll wrap up this video. Take a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. Aluminum radiator with a fan shroud. Don't always see that. Headers. There's the new proportioning valve, master cylinder and booster. So power brakes, power steering, headers, Edelbrock 4-barrel car. Good looking engine bay. Feeder hose is intact. Looks good, sounds good. Say kind of a resto mod, if you will, the way it's set up. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. This will come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com if you check out the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Looks very good with silver on the sides and red. And interior is all black. Automatic on the center console. Has a great sound. The factory speedometer does move. It appears to be a little wavery and maybe reading a little high. The fuel gauge is reading just over a quarter. That looks like it works. Our blower motor does function. Under the dash there's a triple gauge set with oil pressure at 60 psi and the battery charging over 14. Our temperature gauge has not come off of the bottom, which is 130 yet. I'll let you know if that does. The wipers do work. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight. It's got really good power steering, it's easy to turn. Comfortable factory looking bucket seats. Very good handling Camaro. Definitely seems like it has some upgraded suspension. Acceleration, firm shifting. A little noise coming from the passenger door, if you can hear that. Maybe something just to take a peek at. Very nice looking, good handling 67 Camaro. Also sounds great. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.